नमस्कार. स्टँडर्ड 7th मॅथ्स ब्रिज कोर्स डे 31 unit ratio and proportion. Today we are see subunit ratio. You know that when we compare two numbers in daily life we can use subtraction. See here one example. Gautam is 14 years old and Samira is 7 years old. How can we comparison? First, we can subtract 14 minus 7 years. It is subtraction. That means Gautam is bigger than Samira by 7 years. Second comparison is by division. 14 divided by 7, it comes 2. That means Gautam is bigger than Samira by twice. When two quantities compare by division, that means 14 upon 7 or 14 divided by 7. Both answers are coming 2. When we compare two quantities by division, that time division is called a ratio. When the two quantities compare by division, that time division is called a ratio. But units of quantities must be same. Gautam is 14 years, Samira is 7 years. Years. That means units of quantity must be same. म्हणजे लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे की आपण जेव्हा रेशो काढणार आहोत तेव्हा त्यांचे युनिट्स सेम असले पाहिजेत. Gautam age is twice as much as Samira. That means their ages are in the proportion 2:1. How can we read? 2:1. This proportion, how can we read? 2:1. Ratio can be used to write an equation. When we can use the ratio to write an equation, then it is easier to solve the problems. The proportion of two numbers expressed as ratio. In mathematics, the proportion of two numbers expressed or can be told as ratio. Let's practice. Take first example. Ketan bought 12 bananas and 6 mangoes. Find the ratio of banana to mango. How can we find? The ratio number of banana divided by number of mango. Here find the ratio banana to mango. So we can take on a number of banana at the numerator and number of mango to the denominator. What is the number of banana? 12. And what is the number of mango? 6. Then we can find the simplest form. आता आपल्याला इथं simplest form फाइंड करायचं आहे. त्यासाठी आपण काय करणार आहे? 12 आणि 6 ला सेम नंबरने आपण डिवाइड करणार आहे. डिवाइडेड बाय 6 divided by 6. The answer is 2/1. That means ratio is 2:1. 2/1 is ratio and proportion is 2:1. See here, first number of banana upon number of mango, we can find 12/6. Then we simplest it and answer become 2/1. That means 2:1. Second example, the weight of the large block of jaggery is 1 kilogram and a smaller lump weight 200 gram. Find the ratio of weight of the lump of jaggery to that of block. Jaggery, block of jaggery, गुळाचा ढेप and lump म्हणजे गुळाचा खडा. आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? यांचा रेशो फाइंड करायचा आहे. पण अगोदरच आपण काय सांगितलेलं आहे? युनिट्स ऑफ क्वांटिटी मस्ट बी सेम. बट हियर block of jaggery is 1 kilogram and weight of lump is 200 gram. The units are not same. So we can do it same. How can we do it? 1 kilogram means 1000 gram. That means block of jaggery is 1000 gram and smaller loom weight is 200 gram. Gram. Now it becomes same unit. Then we find a ratio. Which question we ask? A ratio of weight of the loom of jaggery to that of block. So numerator take weight of the loom and denominator take weight of the block. What is the weight of the loom? 200 gram. And what is the weight of block? We cannot take 1 kilogram. We take a 1000 gram. Then we can find a simplest form of 200 upon 1000. So we divided it by 200. That means same number we can divide and answer become 200 divided by 200, 1, and 200 divided by 1000, answer become 5. So ratio 1 upon 5, that means 1:5. Now we can solve some examples. Example first. 30 cricket players and 20 kho-kho players are training on ground. Then find ratio of cricket players to total players. What can we ask? Ratio of cricket players to total players. But we cannot give a total players. So first find total players. Cricket players plus kho-kho players. How many cricket players? 30. And kho-kho players 20. Total becomes 50 players. Then we can find a cricket players to total players ratio. Cricket players 30 cricket players. So we take here number of cricket players 30 and number of total players is 50. 30 upon 50 is a ratio. Now we can find a simplest form of 30 upon 50. It can divide it by 10 because 30 and 50 are in the table of 10th. Answer become 30 divided by 10, 3, 50 divided by 10, 5. That means ratio is 3:5. Example 2. 40 men and 30 women work in a small factory. What is the ratio of men to men and women to men? What we ask? The ratio of men to women first find and women to men secondly find. That means in this example 2 sub questions are asked. म्हणजे इथं 2 आपल्याला उपप्रश्न विचारलेले आहेत. First A, ratio number of men to number of women. So we can take a number of men numerator and number of women to the denominator. What is the number of men? 40 upon number of women 30. Then we find the simplest form of 40 upon 30. These numbers are available in 10th table. So we can divide it by 10. आणि जर तुम्ही 2 ने 5 ने जर याला भाग केला तर तुम्हाला परत simplest form काढावा लागतो. So we directly divided by 10. 40 divided by 10, answer become 4. 30 divided by 10, answer become 3. That means ratio is 4:3. B, ratio number of women upon number of men. That means second question answer we can find number of women 30 and number of men 40. We can find the simplest form of 30 upon 40. It can be divided by 10. Answer become 30 divided by 10, 3. 40 divided by 10, 4. That means ratio is 3:4. You can remember that when we can changes the numerator and denominator, the ratio is also changed. म्हणजे इथं number of men आणि number of women आहे 4:3 आला. Number of women to number of men 3:4 आहे. So always remember that the number of men to number of women and number of women to number of men, the answer cannot be same. It can be changed. Thank you.